Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm back at Biddulph Grange, which is one of my favourite National Trust gardens. I come here on a regular basis. It's only about 30 minutes from where I live. Now there's a plant here which in my life, I have to say, I've never really given very much attention to, right behind me. And at this time of year, which is September, they put on an amazing display of dahlias at Biddulph Grange. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some images of dahlias, and I have to say, the more I see of dahlias, the more I'm starting to fall in love with them. And one of the things that Biddulph Grange is known for is this incredible set of very structural yew hedges, and I'll be showing you quite a bit more of these as I go through, but I really just want to focus in on some of these wonderfully shaped and structured flower heads. Just look at that there. It's like a tangerine or an orange, a small orange. You want to get hold of it and feel it. And then by way of contrast, you've got these open flowered shaped ones here. Again, beautiful in their own way, but look at the intense colours on that. And this one here, occupied by two pollinating insects busily collecting nectar. Now we move into the shade here, but look how bright the yellow of these are, with a little orange centre, tightly compact, wonderful. And then there's one here which seems to be almost in between the two, not a globe and not fully open, a kind of a hybrid of the two shapes. And at times as you glance across the shade, you suddenly see one here that's caught the sunlight and it bursts out. Look at that, amazing. And there are a few at the back there which almost look like roses. Happily, some of them are actually named here. Snowflake, Catherine Deneuve, I believe that's an actress, Golden Torch, all in neat lines and terraced so that you can get the best view of these wonderful flowers. I'll go up there in a moment and show you the view looking back. Look at that there. Almost pure white with very delicately pink tinged edges to the flowers. And here is that view looking back, and there's the house in the distance. Look at these amazing yew hedges, incredible. Imagine the work that's gone into keeping those trimmed and under control and so pristine. Slightly different points of view here. Again, look at the hedges and the topiary and the structure in this garden. All year round structure from these yew hedges. In the springtime, these beds are filled with tulips. Anyway, let's get back to the dahlias, the subject of this video. Look at this here, almost like a sunflower. The bee enjoying the nectar on that. The intensity of the colour of this one in the sunlight, incredible. And right next to that, by contrast, pure white. I'll just let the camera focus in on these petals. Just amazing.
You've been that way, yeah.
Grandma and Granddad, have you had enough? No, but Granddad, have you had enough?
Yeah.
I know I would describe that as damasked, but I'm not sure. One thing it certainly is beautiful. Bright yellowy orange one here, and another one here which is also, I think, probably damask. Looks like feathers. Incredible.
Might be Egypt again.
So there you go. Hope you've enjoyed those images of dahlias at Biddulph Grange. I'll see you back at the ranch for some more gardening adventures. Bye for now.